incessant rains have lashed Kashmir Valley if you talk of the last 3 to 4 days, and since yesterday it's been literally non-stop very heavy rainfall. Now while rainfall has been witnessed in plains, if you talk of mountainous areas likes of Gurez, Gulmarg, many areas of Baramulla, Kupara have received fresh snowfall. There are some areas which have experienced at least 6 to 8 inches of fresh snowfall. So that has led to a winter-like feel across Kashmir, and it is like while we are moving towards summers, but the temperatures that are prevalent right now are like February. So that really is the situation. As you can see, Jhelum is also all swelled up. The water levels are very high, though we are still some distance away from the flood alarm levels. But considering that the Met Department has predicted this rainfall to continue for the next 24 to 36 hours, so there is no place for complacency as far as the government is concerned. They need to get activated, and we are already seeing that some control rooms have been activated. The situation is especially bad if we talk of North Kashmir, where in Kupara and Handwara several villages have been inundated. Several roads, especially that take you to the mountainous villages, they have seen landslides, while at other places the roads have caved in. The roads are missing. Now, if you talk of the Jammu-Srinagar National Highway, there also there has been massive landsliding. We know what has happened in Ramban, where because of landslides and because of the fact that the mountains have slipped down, and that has led to several houses being damaged, power supply lines being damaged. Right now the government is trying to make an assessment. As far as rains are concerned, they are going to continue for the next 24 to 36 hours, but it is the snowfall that has brought temperatures, has brought a sharp dip in temperature. Snowfall activity has been witnessed in Gulmarg, the tourism places like the upper reaches of Sonmarg, while it has brought cheer on the face of the tourists. But as far as locals are concerned, they seem to be being hit by another wave of a winter-like situation, while they were thinking that they're out of winters and they are moving towards summers. But right now, I can tell you that's a winter-like feel. Temperatures have come down under 10, and in the next at least 1 or 2 days, they are going to further come down. With camera person Tariq Lone, Mir Farid, Srinagar, India Today.